friends from all over the world. I'm Mia from Finetech. Today I'm going to introduce you to the DPP-80 blister packaging machine. This machine is specifically designed for small and medium-sized factories. It is capable of packaging various materials, including capsules and tablets. It can also handle materials like soft gels and liquids. This machine offers numerous advantages. Despite its compact size, it boasts a high production capacity, capable of reaching up to 2,100 plates per hour. Furthermore, it operates with low noise, ensures stable operation, and is fully compliant with stringent GMP standards. The material contact surfaces are constructed from 316 stainless steel, and the non-contact surfaces utilize 304 stainless steel. By simply swapping out different molds, you can effortlessly produce various kinds of blister plates. And now, this blister machine is capable of simultaneously producing both aluminum plastic and aluminum types of blister plates.
PVC film is pressed and formed by heating the hopper material into the feeder. The disc brush in the feeder will brush its pills into each hole. Then enter the heating process. After the hot air, the blister plate passes through the punching process. Finally, the material is discharged.
That covers all the details on the DPP-80 blister packaging machine. Should you have any inquiries, simply click the link below to get in touch with me.